Flipster is a digital magazine service that allows users to access magazines from a variety of publishers through the library and read them anytime or anywhere. In this brief tutorial, I'll show you how to access Flipster and read a magazine using your internet browser. To access Flipster, go to the e-resources page on the library website and select the Flipster link. If off campus, you'll be prompted for your PEA username and password. On the Flipster home screen, you'll see there are several browsing options available to you. Click a link in the Categories box to view magazines by category. Or use the latest issues or all magazine carousels to browse titles available in this collection. When you find a title of interest, click on a cover image to read the magazine in the Flipster viewer. The magazine will open in a new browser window. You'll see that the Flipster viewer features several options for reading in the column on the right. To start reading the issue, you have the option to click the full screen button to display the magazine in full screen mode. Then you can use the arrow buttons to begin flipping through the pages of the magazine. If you want to look for a specific article, you can use the search box at the top to search the issue for articles that include your keywords, or you can select the All Issues option to display the table of contents. Another option is to use the All Pages view to skip ahead to another section of the magazine. If you're looking for an older issue, go back to the All Issues option, which will allow you to access the back issues available through Flipster. Need to print or download an article? Select the Print button and choose Pages in View or All Pages. The magazine will open in the Adobe browser. You'll then have the option to print or save the article as a PDF. If you have questions about Flipster or need more assistance with library resources and research, use our Ask Us service to get help from a librarian.